been going extremely well so far, and we're seeing a lot of discussion about a lot of issues, but the overarching thing, yet again, is that there's a lot of interaction between the military, develop relationships, and most importantly, put forward all the issues that they have, because someone, somewhere is going to have a solution to that.
It's good to share information, so everybody here is sharing their information with us, and we're learning here, and I'm hoping sharing our information about what the V-22 has done for us is going to help everybody else as well.
The opportunity to deal at this level, at these sorts of tactical and strategic discussions, pretty hard to beat a face-to-face meeting. So I'll walk out of here with contacts, but I'll also walk out of here with a whole series of perspectives that perhaps I didn't have before I came. An open mind is the key to these things.
How is the thoughts of different militaries in the Army aviation, and to share our capabilities.
What we see is great engagements with both industry partners as well as international delegations of some of our current customers and potential future customers to understand what their needs are.
Yes, actually we got some very good contact and very interesting people, and people who are able to take the decisions.
It's an opportunity to be able to shape those requirements both from them to us and us to them, so that we can manage expectations, really bring in an opportunity to cooperate in the development of the future platforms.